Welcome to Physics Hub. Today in this video I am going to talk about how to prepare for a CSIR NET exam. So this video is going to be really very helpful, so watch the video till the end. You are preparing for CSIR NET exam. Now I have uploaded a lot of videos relating to this particular topic. There is a playlist in the name Motivational Plans. There you will see a lot of videos about this topic. How to prepare CSIR NET, how to write your CSIR NET exam, what should you do the day before your exam, and many other things, time management and etc. So you can watch that playlist. Now before starting today's video, I would like to tell you, please follow us on Facebook page, okay, because we keep on sharing different kind of study material, short notes, important videos on our Facebook page. So follow that page. The ID is Physics Hub 111. Today's topic is how to prepare for CSIR NET exam. The first thing which you will do is analyze the syllabus completely. Okay, analyze the syllabus completely. So this is the first thing which you would be doing. So just go through the syllabus 2-3 times and find out what are your strong points and what are your weak points. Okay, so first of all you will divide all the sections of your CSIR NET physics syllabus into two categories. The first category should be your strong subjects. Okay, so many of you maybe are MSc passed out, or many of you are doing MSc, so you must be knowing which subjects are your strong subjects and which subjects are weak subjects for you. So first thing first, you have to identify your strong areas and your weak areas. So you will write it in this way. So let us say we have our 10 subjects in total, starting with mathematical methods, then classical mechanics, electromagnetic theory, quantum, thermal and statistical, electronics, atomol, condensed matter, nuclear and particle physics. Okay, so in the strong subjects, you will write the subjects one by one, and in the weak portion, WEAK, weak subjects, you will write them. Let us say your strong subjects are, let us say one is math method, then your next strong subject is classical, third one let us say thermal, fourth let us say nuclear and particle physics, and fifth let us say particle physics. Okay, so in this way we can divide your strong subjects, and let us say your weak subjects are, let us say EMT, number 2 quantum. This is just an example so that you can do it in this way according to your capability. Okay, EMT, quantum, then electronics, and what else, atmol, and then at 5 let's say condensed. Now once you divided the subjects into strong subject categories and weak subject categories, what you need to do, you need to have heavy practice and revision for these strong subjects. Heavy practice and revision. Okay, and these 5 subjects which are weak, you should give special attention. You should give special attention to these subjects. So overall you will be completing the whole syllabus. Until and unless you target to complete the whole syllabus, you will not be able to crack JRF. So completing the whole syllabus is very necessary. You may be weak in few subjects, you may be strong in few subjects, but at the end of the day you have to complete the whole syllabus. Now it's just August, so you have another 4 months to prepare. So these 4 months is a huge time. So in these 4 months you can easily prepare, you can easily strengthen your weak subjects, and you can easily polish your strong subjects. Okay, this is one aspect. Next thing what I would like to discuss is, once you have divided the subjects into strong categories and weak categories, the next thing which you have to consider is the time you have left at your hand. So in total, for the time being, you have August, September, October, November. I am not considering December because only 15 days maybe you will be getting. So in total you have around 120 days. Now within this 120 days you have to prepare, you have to strengthen your weak subjects, and you have to have lot of practice and revision in your strong subjects. Now in your CSIR NET exam, most of the questions are asked from the high end of the concept. Okay, so merely learning the formula is not enough. You need to have some knowledge, you need to learn how to utilize them. And in addition to that, you need to learn about some tips and tricks, because you will get some limited time in your examination. Now, keeping this fact in mind and considering the time constraint, you can have an approach like this. So I will tell you the approach point wise so that you can understand it better. So as you have a very limited time, merely 120 days, so I am giving you an approach or a strategy so that you can cope up with it, because we have 10 subjects are only 120 days in your hand. So first, this is the best approach according to me. This is my personal opinion. Okay. So other teachers may have their own opinion, but this is the best approach according to me. So first of all, what you do, learn the concept precisely. Okay. Learn the concept precisely and note down the relevant formula. Okay, so first one is learn the concept precisely and note down the relevant formula. Why I am saying this? Because you have only 120 days. But now if you go to learn the topics in great detail or in deep, you will be lacking of time. Okay, so the best approach would be to learn the concept precisely and just note down whatever formula you are getting. The next thing which you can do is solve related problems. Okay. So let us say you are studying Born approximation or variational methods or semi-empirical mass formula. Just write down the formula, just try to know the concept precisely and practice some problem based on that. Solve related problems including previous year questions. Okay, including previous year questions, because solving previous year questions are very necessary to know the type of the question which are asked in your CS 100 exam. So this is the second approach. Second point. The third point is make short notes for all the subjects. You must have a complete short note on the day of your exam so that you can revise the whole subject in just 1 or 2 hours. That is why making short notes is very necessary. In our YouTube channel, short notes of few subjects have been uploaded, and in future I will try to upload more short notes. So stay connected with us, and I will suggest you to make your own short notes, because that will be most helpful or most effective. Okay. At number 4, this is also a very good point. Revise whatever you learn twice a week. Okay. Make or do, that's right. Do regular revision. Revision is very necessary. If you just read and practice and you don't revise at all, it will not be so effective. So you must have regular revision. At number 5, last but not the least, I think this is the most important among all the points. Appear for as many mock tests as possible. Okay, this is the most important point. Okay, you have to appear for a sufficient number of mock tests. So these are the 5 points which I would like you to follow. So if you follow these 5 points, I think and I hope you will definitely crack JRF. Now let us go into little deep into the strategy and tips. So let me tell you that try to complete the whole syllabus by the end of October. So what you can do in August, September or in October, you can take 3 subjects at a time. Okay, 3 subjects at a time, and it's your choice how many subjects you will be taking from this strong portion and how many subjects you will be taking from the weak portions. But 3 subjects at a time, and by the end of the October your whole syllabus should be covered. And in the month of November and plus December, whatever days you will be getting, in those 2 months the last 3, 4 and 5 points should be repeated. So at number 3, as I told, you have to make short notes. So you will revise the short notes again and again. At number 4, regular revision of whatever you have learned, this will remain. And at 5, number of mock tests. So you will just repeat these 3, 4 and 5 points again and again. Okay, because that will make your preparation very strong. And this will do in November, December, and in the remaining months all the 5 points should be followed. Now let's talk about specifically how you can practice questions and what should be the source. Okay, so in addition to solving previous year problems, you must practice some problems, some new problems. So what you can do for this, you can buy a book by Dr. Surekha Tomar. Okay, and this is from Utkarsh Publications. This is a very good book, and lot of problems are there according to the topics. Okay, like firstly it starts with mathematical methods and classical EMT, and in this way the whole syllabus is covered in this book, and it may be cost you around 500 to 600 or something. Another thing is possible, you can join some coaching. Okay, join some coaching, or you can join an academy. Okay, you can join an academy, because on an academy around 8 to 10 educators are there. 8 to 10 educators are there from physical science category. Okay, from physical science category, and by just taking one subscription you can watch all of them. Okay, and you can download all the PDFs, lectures from all the educators. So that's a very good point. And why I am telling this, because in every week almost all the educators upload some weekly tests. Okay, so if 8 to 10 educators are there, so you can get weekly 8 to 10 tests. In this way you will get a lot of questions to practice. Okay, the next thing is short notes. So in this category I will tell you the fast and most effective way will be prepare it by yourself. Okay, the next thing, in our channel some short notes have been uploaded, you can also watch that. Okay, so physics half short notes. And third, you can join my Unacademy courses. Okay, so there I give complete preparation of your CSR NET exam. I cover the whole syllabus, and at the end of October I will give you all the short notes, okay, to the plus students. Okay, and I will also try to upload the short notes on our YouTube channel also. Okay, but this will be more effective because we on Unacademy will be going in a systematic way, but here at one time you will give me just short notes. So I think this will be more effective. So the last thing which I would like to tell you, the most important thing is mock test. This is the most vital tool in the preparation of your CSR NET exam. Most of the people do not do this, and that's why they do not crack the exam. Mock tests are the most important thing in preparing CSR NET exam. Now for the mock test, the best source I can tell you that you can take Career Endeavor online test series. Okay, this is one of the best, and don't go for I would not recommend to go for others, but it's your choice ultimately, but according to me they provide the best online test series. Okay, so it will cost you around 1500, but if you join Unacademy, then you will get everything. All the previous 2 points I have shared with you will get, and here also you will get Unacademy. Now what is special about Unacademy? Let me tell you one thing, that if you take one subscription, then on Unacademy there is a provision, there is weekly full length test. Okay, in that test you will get 55 questions, and the total marks is around 200 marks, and you will be given 3 hours. So in 1 month you will be appearing for 4 full length tests. Okay, I'm not talking about the weekly test which all the individual educators do. That will be there. In addition to that, 1 full length test will be there every week. Okay, so this is the specialty of Unacademy. But here you will get specified test. Okay, only 20 to 25 tests will be there, and in Unacademy the number of tests are way larger than any of the other sources. Okay, and I think this is the best feature of Unacademy, that you will get weekly full length test. Okay, and in addition to that you will get weekly test. Okay, weekly part test, mega test. Okay, and it will be done in online medium. So I think this is the best feature of Unacademy. I love this feature the most, because there you will get tremendous large amount of tests, and which is the most important point of preparing CSIR NET exam. So you can consider taking subscription, and if you want to join my classes are conducted fully in English, and you can join this using this referral code Physics Hub. Okay, this is in our channel name. Okay, Physics Hub. If you apply this referral code, Unacademy will offer you 10% off, and I will cover the whole syllabus by the end of October. So you can join my course now, and within 4 or 5 months your preparation will be done. And if you take 6 months subscription, then your GATE preparation will also be covered. Okay, so it is highly recommended, and you have been watching me from the last 2 or 3 years, so you know about my teaching style, and you know about my approach. So I don't think that there will be any problem. Okay, so if you like my classes, you can join me on Unacademy. I will conduct the complete preparation of your CSIR NET exam. Okay, so thank you very much. If you have any kind of question, query or confusion, you can write me in the comment section. I will try to give you answers. And if you want to take subscription, you can take subscription. And if you have any kind of queries related to the subscription, you can call me on this number 9609090334. You can follow me on different social media accounts, Instagram, Facebook, and you can also join our WhatsApp group and Telegram group. Okay, finally, thanks for watching.